In this video we are going to explain you how to use your admin area. Instructions for using the leads management script. Follow these step-by-step instructions to understand how your site works. Admin settings. Here you will decide how your program will run. You can use this section to put your site in maintenance mode, and in this period, only admin will be able to access the admin area. All other features will be disabled. Generate database backup. This section will let you take database backup from admin area itself. Update system. Here you can find the list of updates that are available for your system. Manage departments. From here you can add, view, edit, delete the departments. Manage subadmins. From here you can add, view, edit, delete the subadmins. Manage leads. From here you can add, view, edit, delete the leads. Manage products. From here you can add, view, edit, delete the products. Manage inquiries. From here you can add, view, edit, delete the inquiries. Paid amount. This section provides details of how much you have paid until now, and to whom. Log out. Thanks for watching this video.